What's up everybody, it's Caleb from Element Case, and today we're unboxing the Rally. The Rally has a really bold race-inspired design that all works around the clear backplate. So first thing you're going to want to do before you put your phone in is remove this clear plastic liner from the inside of the case. Your device should just snap in and you're good to go. The Rally features drop shot corners, which are suspension and cushioning engineered to produce a perfect fit and provide shock absorption for superior drop protection. This case also features a crystal clear polycarbonate backplate, which protects while also letting the simple beauty of your device shine through. On the top, bottom, and sides, the Rally features SureGrip, an ergonomic design for a more comfortable and secure grasp. The Rally also features a tabletop protection front bezel, a design that keeps the phone screen from coming in direct contact with surfaces on drops. Thanks for checking out the Rally. For more information, go to elementcase.com.